Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Stellar. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after a very massive rally, the price line of Stellar is stuck inside a down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that still it is moving inside this channel since after 23rd of November 2024. You can see that we had rejection here, bounce here, another bounce here. Then we got stable touch points here. And despite these long spikes beyond the resistance of the price and could not break out this downtrend and resistance, then we had another bounce, bounce, rejection, and now the price is again moving towards the support of this channel. By the way, this time if the price and tests the support of the channel, then it can also test this long-term support zone. That starts from 27 cents and goes to 25 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone from 27 to 25 cents has been previously working as a very strong resistance zone here, support, and support zone here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support zone for the price line of Stellar. And we will also take a look at this huge and massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well that I've been showing you for the past 2 years, even before the breakout. And I was telling you that after the breakout, we can expect a very, very massive rally. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge setup, and the price of Stellar is moving inside this ascending triangle for the past several months, not for the past several months, even for the past several years. Since after 2017, it is moving inside this ascending triangle on this monthly time frame chart. And now the price is once again getting rejected by the resistance of this ascending triangle. And I would also like to share with you quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I have been sharing with you for the last 2 years. That was a very big and huge harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that's teleformed on the monthly time frame chart. And so far, this signal has produced almost 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Book of Meme, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared with my members on 29th of May 2022. And by the way, I have been sharing this signal in my different videos as well for the last 2 years. That was a very huge harmonic bullish reversal setup that Stellar formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see when I shared the signal at that time, the price was moving at 12.7 cents. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has pumped very well. And so far, it has rallied almost 400%. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And this is the down channel for the past several weeks. You can see that the price line is moving inside this channel since after 23rd of November 2024. We are moving inside this channel. We had a rejection here, bounce here, two more rejections here, a few more rejections here. And then we had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection. And now the price line is moving towards the support of the channel. By the way, this time we have broken down a very significant support of 40 cents. And now it can test this long-term support from 27 to 25 cents. And at the same time, it can also test the support of the channel as well. And if the price line again it touches the resistance after testing the support of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at 32.7 cents, approximately at the same level where it is moving right now. At the moment, you can see that after breaking down the support of 40 cents, the price line is struggling to break out this resistance of 40 cents. For example, if it will again break it out, then we may see another attempt for the breakout from the channel. And this time the resistance of the channel will be, if the price breaks out this 40 cents resistance, then it can hit the resistance of the channel approximately at 37.5 cents. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. Now, if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then this is the falling wedge pattern that I have been showing you for the past 2 years. And even before the breakout, I've been telling you that once we will break it out, then the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that now we are about to hit that target. We are very close to hit that target. Now, let me to show you this very, very huge setup that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And for the past several years, not for several months, several years, the price line is moving inside this ascending triangle. We found the support here in the month of July 2017. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce, another bounce, another bounce. Several touch points we had at the support, and then we had a very, very massive pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that from this low to this high, it was more than 11,982% rally. Then we had a big drop. And from the month of January 2018 up till the month of March 2020, for almost 2 years, the price was moving down and tested the support of this ascending triangle here in the month of March 2020. Then we had another very, very massive pump. And now if I place this measurement tool from this to this side, then you can see that this time it was almost more than 2,952%, almost 3,000% rally. And then from the month of May 2021 up till here, up till the month of July 2024, the price line again dropped down and tested the support of this ascending triangle once again. And now recently we had another very, very massive bounce. And this time from this low to this high, it is almost 900 here, 743. Let me place it once again. So it will be confirmed that how powerful this rally was. It was almost 731% rally. Now we are again rejected by the resistance of this ascending triangle, and now we are breaking down this long-term support. And now there is a probability that we may test the next long-term support of 25 cents. That is, by the way, more visible here from 27 to 25 cents. And this level has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here. You can see that we had a rejection here in the month of Feb 2022. Before that, we had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, and here it was also breaking as support. Here for a while, the price and broke it down, but again, it covered back. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, and you can see that during this rally, we had again faced this resistance zone as a very, very strong hurdle for almost 4 or 5 days. And finally, the price and broke out this resistance zone and then got stuck inside this channel. And now, again, after getting rejected by the resistance of this channel and after getting rejected by this resistance of the ascending triangle, there is a very high probability that we may again test the support zone that starts from 27 to 25 cents. And in case of breaking down this support zone, the price end can, on the bigger time frame, the price end can drop down here at the support of this triangle. For example, if touches the support of the triangle here, then it can touch approximately at 10 cents, and if it will touch it here, then it can touch the support at 11 cents. I'm expecting that from somewhere between 10 to 11 cents, it can test the support, and then we may see another bounce from the support of the triangle. So far, so good. We did not break down this long-term support zone from 27 to 25 cents. And as far as this support zone is not broken down, we can expect that the price end can start another reversal to break out the resistance of this ascending triangle. And once Stellar will be able to break it out, then we can expect another very, very massive bull run of Stellar, because you can see that on the monthly time frame chart, this is, by the way, a monthly time frame. Since after July 2017, it is moving inside this triangle. And once it will be able to break out this multi-years based resistance, then I'm expecting that that can trigger a very, very massive rally. By the way, the technical target for this triangle's breakout that we can expect, that is, by the way, a technical target, but this is a quite long-term trade setup because this is a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, it can take some time. That can be a quite long-term move. However, if the price then breaks out this resistance, and depends, by the way, from where it will break it out. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, because this trend line is slightly moving to the downside, it is not completely horizontal. Therefore, if the price then breaks it out from here, then target can be slightly lower. And for example, if we will have a breakout from here, and the target can be slightly higher. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, then technical target can be here, somewhere between $47 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.